Okay.
You can't zoom in. Wow. Okay, hurry up.
Okay, let's go.
What happened? Are we gonna get jumped?
That's $10.
$10 to what?
Point it out.
Call! Look, that's Josh's house.
Take it. Oh my god.
It's a video.
Take a picture.
Take a picture of what?
Right.
Call, noob.
Let's go. I want to go to the park.
Call!
No, come on.
Call first! No, call first.
Okay, bye guys.
Call!
Wow. Here, I think I farted.
That's on tape. You farted?
I'm deleting that later.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
You could just bleep it out and say I smiled. No, stop. I'm gonna kill you. Oh my gosh.
I can't control this thing, man. Okay, hold me again.
Call right now. Can I call?
Call, please.
Can I?
I'm really bored.
Okay, let's see. Jay, this isn't focusing, so I don't know what I'm looking at.
That was a mosquito drain.
Can it focus? Okay, whatever. Josh. Can it read?
Okay.
Whatever. Well, I'm calling. I'm a little scared. Oh crap. I'm going to Josh's house. Is he home? Yeah. No! No, I didn't do it. Let's go. So, which one do you want to get?
Let's go before we get hit.
Dude, please, can we go to his house?
One more time.
Call. Do you have her phone?
Okay, tell me if that girl's like ugly. I might know her.
No, that's good.